Hello everyone, you are welcome once again to Lady J Julie TV YouTube channel. You are blessed, and I want to say thanks to everyone that have been watching my video and also those that have already subscribed to my YouTube channel. A very big thanks to you all. May God bless you in Jesus' name. And also please, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do me a favor, subscribe. And also click on that bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you everyone, and God bless you. So guys, today I'm going to talk on Christmas. If you remember, in my previous video we discussed on if it is right for Christians to celebrate Christmas. So if you are watching this video right now and you have not watched my previous video, please try and watch my previous video so that you can understand more better of what is Christmas. So guys, today I'm going to tell you when Jesus was born. According to Josephus in the Bible, from Jews, Josephus is a blogger in that ancient time in the land of Jewish. So we all know what is a blogger. A blogger is someone who keeps records of recent information or who keep records of things that are happening in a particular area at a particular time for the record of someone to be able to get it in future. That is what a blogger is. So Josephus was one of the bloggers in the land of Jews then when Jesus was born. So when you go further and study it in the Bible, so Josephus let us know, or he told us that Jesus was born in the time of Tabernacles, the celebration of the Feast of Tabernacle in Jerusalem. So if we come to think of it, and you look at it, the Bible let us know that the Feast of Tabernacles was celebrated every 7th month of the year. Sometimes it occurs in the late 7th month of the year or the first week of the 8th month of the year. So you should know how to study the calendar of the Jews. Maybe you can search more to know. So the Bible told us, and Josephus was a man who kept record of the birth of Jesus Christ then. Bible let us to know that Jesus was born then. And he also make us to understand that during the Feast of the Tabernacles, that God ordered some men of the Jews to come to the temple of Jerusalem. And then was a feast. Many of them couldn't find a place to stay because a lot of place was occupied for them. So some of them split to Jerusalem to go and stay. So Mary and Joseph was among them there. They couldn't see a place. They didn't see a place to stay that night, to rest their head or to sleep. So they quickly went to a place where they rest sheep to pass the night there. So that was how it happened. And during that day, Mary was in labor, which she gave birth to Jesus Christ. So guys, we should not be deceived that Jesus was born on the 25th of December. Jesus was never born on the 25th of December. Jesus was born in the 7th month of the year. So we should start calculating or counting when Jesus was born. Let's start by January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So you see that Jesus was born in July, and that was the time of summer, the time that everywhere is very hot. People were traveling for celebration. People were traveling to celebrate the feast. And if you look at it, the time of the Feast of Tabernacle, it was celebrated in the 7th month of the year. And also then, when the Bible also makes us to understand that when Mary and Joseph was unable to find a place to rest, they saw a shepherd and his flocks in the field. So is it possible for a shepherd to stay outside in the time of winter that everywhere is very cold, everywhere is snowing? Can a shepherd stay in the field at that hour with his sheep? It's not possible. Instead, the shepherd can go out to cut grasses or food for the sheep to eat at home, because he would not like to expose he or herself to cold. And then he said that there were many people in the field. So can someone be in the field in the time of cold or winter? It's not possible, my lovely ones. So we should not be deceived. Let us try to refresh our memory, and let us reason back to reason how the event occurred. Then we will know that Jesus was never born in this time of winter, which is December. So guys, today, I'm letting you all know now that Jesus was never born on the 25th of December. Because the Bible never stated the particular date which Jesus was born. They only keep record that Jesus was born in the time of the Feast of Tabernacle. And that time was the 7th month of the year, which the Jews always celebrate today. Every late 7th month of the year or first week of the 8th month, they celebrate it. And that was when the birth of Jesus Christ took place. So guys, please. So because I want you guys to be able to watch this video episode by episode, so I would like to make it short so that you people can watch it in full. Because when you see it, it takes 1 hour, 2 hours. Many people will not like to pay attention to it, to watch the full video, to know what the video is all about. So that is why I'm cutting this video short, so that everyone out there can learn from this and stop celebrating Christmas. If you know you call yourself a Christian, a believer, a born-again Christian. So guys, before I will drop my phone now, let me quickly read this place for you. It said, during the Feast of Tabernacles, God required all men Jews to come to the temple in Jerusalem. The many pilgrims coming to Jerusalem for the festival would spill over to the surrounding towns. Joseph and Mary were unable to find a room at the inn because of the floods of many pilgrims, which is many people's visitors around there. And the Bible does not specifically say the date of Jesus Christ. So guys, we should not be deceived. The Bible, if you check from Genesis to Revelation, they never stated the date when Jesus was born. Never. They only explained the period which the birth took place. So guys, I also want to read another place for you, which Josephus, the blogger in the land of Jews, said. According to Josephus, a blogger in the Bible in Jews, recorded that Jesus was born during the time of the Feast Tabernacles, which is celebrated every 7th month of the year, and stated that there were shepherds looking after their flocks. So you see it, my lovely people. We should not be deceived. Please, everyone. Let's study the Bible properly. Let's study the Bible attentively so that we will all be exposed to what the Bible is telling us, so that we will not be deceived to join the worldly people, the pagans, to do what they are doing today. Because Christmas was never meant for us. Maybe in my next video, I will tell you how Christmas was originated and why do Christians celebrate Christmas today, and the reason why Christmas is not a general celebration to the whole worldwide. I will let you guys know in my next video. Please, don't miss my next video. Don't miss this video. If you are watching my video now and you have not watched the previous video, please try and watch it so that you can understand more better about Christmas and the reason why we should not celebrate Christmas as a Christian. Thank you all for watching my video today. God bless you. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Lady J Julie TV is the name of my YouTube channel. Please subscribe so that you can get great information, so that you will not be ignorant of many things that we are doing today. Because many people are ignorant of what is happening today. Many are celebrating and are doing things they are not supposed to do because they believe that is right. They see everybody do it. But there are things that the Bible tells us, God told us not to do. But we always we see it as normal thing, but it's not normal or right in the sight of God. Please, my beloved people out there, let's serve God in the right way. Let's stay away from sin. Let's stay away from things that the worldly people are doing. Because the Bible also makes us to know that as a Christian, we should not be yoked with the unbelievers. That we should stay away from them. Let us be like a snow, a white to where black is. When I make that say black, I didn't refer to anybody. I'm trying to say that when you see a white color and you see a black color, let people be able to differentiate you from those two colors. So guys, may God bless you for watching this video. Please share this video so that those that are ignorant of it will be a partaker of this great information I just shared today. May God bless you and remain blessed. So if you want to be more convinced, I will urge you guys to go into the Bible or just go into Google, type history on how Jesus Christ was born. Then you can see a lot of scriptures that quoted the birth and this explanation of how Jesus was born. Please guys, let us study our Bible, because the Bible is there to put us through. The Bible is there to make us know what God likes. Thank you for watching my video and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be notified anytime I post a video. Thank you. And in my next video, I'm going to be telling you why do Christians celebrate Christmas and the origin of Christmas. Bye.